In this video, we're going to go over the new Builderall affiliate program and the best and easiest way that you can get started today. What is up, guys and gals? Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to go over the new Builderall affiliate program and the best way that you can use it to start making money online. Now, I need to preface this by saying that I cannot guarantee that you will make anything. I don't know your background, I don't know your work ethic, I don't know how much time you've got, I don't know anything about you, so I cannot guarantee you will make anything. What I can guarantee you is to give you the exact tips, tricks, strategies, bonuses, and everything that I've used to earn over $70,000 with Builderall. But like I say, I cannot guarantee you will make anything. I cannot guarantee you will make 70 cents. So with that out of the way, I want to introduce you to the power of the new affiliate program that we have inside of Builderall. If you already know everything there is to know about the new affiliate platform, then click the link below to get started and hit the ground running. If not, stay tuned and we'll jump on my computer and we will go through the new affiliate platform. So we are now on my computer and I'm going to go through step by step the new Builderall affiliate program, how it all works and how you can use it to the best of your ability. So my name is Neville-Taylor, aka the Builderall Nomad, and we're going to be going through right now. Before we start though, I want to show you why I'm qualified to talk about this. I am one of the top affiliates in Builderall. In fact, if you combine my top 2 accounts, you can see that I am the number 8 affiliate in the entire world. So there's my 2 accounts there. You can see my 2 scores and put them together and it brings me into the number 8 spot right here. So I am the number 8 affiliate, top affiliate in the world for Builderall. So I do know what I'm talking about. I can sell. My strategies, tips, tricks and hacks have helped hundreds of people and helped me earn 6 figures in affiliate marketing. So I do know what I'm talking about. So as well as explaining the way the new Builderall affiliate program works, I'm going to be showing you my tips, tricks, hacks and resources that I've used to earn 6 figures in affiliate marketing. And once again, I cannot guarantee you will make anything. This is just my results. So before we get started, I just want to give you some inspiration that you can do this as well, no matter where you're starting from. So just 2 years ago, I had no sales experience, no marketing experience, and I actually couldn't even put a profile picture up on Facebook. So I was very, very shy, very, very withdrawn. And if you can put a profile picture up and you can put a post on Facebook, then you are miles ahead of where I was already. So fast forward to 2 years later, I've spoken on stage in front of 1,000 people in 5 different countries, earned 6 figures in affiliate marketing. From 2 years ago, not being able to even speak a word on camera and actually almost committing suicide. So just in 2 years, I've gone from that to what you see before you now. So if that doesn't inspire you that you can do this too in a relatively short time period, then you should probably close this video down right now and move on to something else. So with that said, let's move on to the new Builderall affiliate program. So first off, we're going to go over the new Builderall affiliate program, and then I'm going to show you some of my tips, tricks and hacks that I've used in my business. So we're on the Builderall affiliate page now, and there's a lot of information on this page, so it's easy to get confused. If you knew Builderall before the launch, then you know that they used to have a 2-tier system, 30% on your first tier, 30% on your second tier. It was pretty easy to understand, and that was as far as it went. So on the new compensation plan, they actually offer a 4-tier program, which is huge. I wish they had this program before, because I would be making 10 times the amount of money that I am right now with this new compensation plan. It's really a powerful platform and really powerful compensation plan, which allows you to make 10 times more money than you would have been before. So let's scroll down a bit and get into the meat and potatoes of the new affiliate program breakdown. So now there are 3 different affiliate tiers. So the first affiliate tier you earn when you get 180 points, and every dollar that you spend on the platform you earn 3 points. So if you buy the $69 plan, you get 207 points for that month, and each month you stay an active member, you get another 207 points for that month. And then each dollar that you get from personal sales is worth 1 point. So each $69 a month plan that you sell, you get 69 points. So if you sell 10 $69 plans, you get 690 points, and you're automatically qualified for tier 3. So you're probably wondering, what are all these tiers and what do they mean? So on affiliate level 0, you only get commissions on your direct sales. So you only get them for what we used to call tier 1. It's now your direct sales. So what used to be tier 2 is now called level 1. In affiliate F0, you only earn off your direct sales. You don't get anything from any other sales. On affiliate tier 1, you get your own personal sales and you get $5 for when someone sells on your first level. And you also get $5 for when someone sells on your second level, but you don't earn on level 3. And on affiliate tier 2, you get your direct sales, you get $8 from level 1, $7 from level 2, and 0 from level 3. And then on the final tier, the highest tier, affiliate F3, you earn $8 on level 1, $8 on level 2, and $8 on level 3. So all the way through $8 up until level 3. So you have your direct sales, people who they bring in, people who they bring in, and then people who they bring in, all the way down to what would be known as the 4th tier. So this is called the uni-level bonus. And once you pay for your account, you automatically have 207 points if it's at the $69 level. So that automatically qualifies you for level 1. But then you have to sell 3 more to get to affiliate F2. And that's going to qualify you for affiliate F2, so you can earn commissions in 2 levels but higher commissions on each one. And then you just need 2 more to get to affiliate F3. So in total you need an active account and 5 sales to become an affiliate F3. Once you have those 5 sales, you're qualified for affiliate F3 forever, as long as they stay active. You don't have to bring in 5 every single month to unlock this bonus. So it's 5, and once you've got 5, you are qualified for all tiers. Happy days. So on the old plan, you would earn less on your first tier and around about the same on your second tier, but you didn't unlock 3rd or 4th. So you can see how this is much better, especially if you're selling on your first tier. You get much more on the first level and you get more all the way down as well. So here you can see you get 100% on your first month, and that's completely 100% of the 69 to your account. Company does not get anything of that. And on your personal sales you get $20 per recurring month, and you even get a retention bonus every 3 months. So on the 4th month and then every 3 months afterwards you get an extra $15. So this is basically like having $25 a month per sign up. So that's like double what you used to get in the old plans, which is why I really wish that they had this beforehand. So coupled with the extra commissions with the retention bonus, you can see why you can earn a lot more with this new compensation plan. One of the most exciting things about the new compensation plan is the unlimited car bonus. In the old plan you had to reach 100 members to get a $500 a month car bonus, and once you earned 200 you got $1,000 a month, and it capped out there. With this new plan, every 690 points you get, or every 10 sales, you get a $50 bonus, and it goes on into unlimited. So if you get 1,000 active members, you get $5,000 bonus a month. If you get 2,000 active members, you get $10,000 bonus a month, and it keeps on going. And it also means that you don't have to hit 100 active members before you start getting this bonus, which is really good for people who can't sell that much quickly. It gives people an extra incentive and an extra push to get to those 10 active members fast, instead of feeling overwhelmed by trying to get to 100. So below this we see the numbers for the $29.90 plan. And right now there's only 2 plans, the $29.90 plan and the $69.90 plan. So it's very similar in how it works. It's 100% commissions on the first end, 8 on your personal, and then $6 retention bonus. So it's pretty much half of the 69 plan. And then you can see the uni-level bonuses on here, which work in a very similar way. I'm not going to go through every single one because we've just explained it on the 69 bonus. And again you have the unlimited car bonus exactly the same way. So as you can see, this is a really cool affiliate structure. It takes a little while to get your head around it, but once you understand it, you can really see how powerful this is in building your business and building up a strong, stable, recurring monthly income. I'm really excited about it, and I think you should be as well. I'm excited because I know if I had as many people as I have in now on this new compensation plan, I would be earning multiple 6 figures with this right now. So I'm just unhappy that they didn't implement it sooner. So I'm going to jump onto my account now. I'm going to show you some of the stats for one of my accounts. So we're in my account now, and as you can see, I qualify for affiliate level 3. And as you can see, I don't have very many direct sales in this account. The money from this account comes from the uni-level bonus. And as you can see, the power of the uni-level bonus is absolutely insane. So on my personal sales, I only have 30 active leads in this account. But on my first level, I have 650 active leads. and 465 affiliates. And then on level 2, I have 806 active leads and 700 affiliates. And then it starts to drop off a little bit on level 3, but you can really see the power of this system and how much more you can earn with 4 levels instead of just 2. So in the dashboard you can see all of your stats, your unlimited car bonus, how many affiliates you've got, how much money you've been paid, and everything else. So now you can see the power of this system and the power of duplication through level 1, level 2 and level 3. You should be excited to get started, right? I'm excited to blow this thing up. I'm excited with this new compensation plan, where it's going to go. It's going to be huge. So now you can see the power of the compensation plan. We're going to jump over and I'm going to show you some of the strategies and techniques which have helped me achieve this. Once again, these are my results. I cannot guarantee that you will make anything. It all depends on your work ethic, your experience, how much time you have to put in, and a variety of other factors. So with that said, let's jump into some of the tips, tricks and strategies that I use to get these results. So as you may already know, there are 2 main types of traffic sources. There is free traffic and there's paid traffic. And free traffic takes more time, so if you have some money to invest, to play around with, then it's much faster to get started with paid methods. But if you don't have the funds right now, then free traffic is also a very powerful way to get started. And my favourite free traffic source is YouTube. And YouTube takes a little bit of time to get started. It's not something that you're going to get overnight success and overnight results with. It's taken me a while to build up to a few thousand subscribers. And when you're using YouTube, the most important thing is to be consistent and put out content consistently, as YouTube really ranks that much better when you're a consistent channel putting out consistent content. So I'm going to go over 1 free method and 1 paid method. I go over a lot more in my course that I share with people who sign up with me in Builderall, but I'm going to go over 1 of each right now. So like I said, YouTube is the most powerful free traffic method by far. People can get massive success on YouTube, and it does take a little time. So with YouTube you can build up your authority, you can build up your channel, and once you've got a few thousand subscribers, then you start to see a bit more of a compounding effect. But when you first start off especially, you need to be uploading videos regularly and optimizing your channel. It's important to have an eye-catching personal profile, banner profile, and a good introduction video to introduce people to who you are, because as you probably already know, people don't buy from people they don't know, like and trust. So introducing yourself, letting people know who you are, is a powerful way to build some relationships so people buy through you. So I do go into a lot more detail in my course. So on to the paid side of things, my favourite paid traffic source is by far solo ads. And solo ads are very versatile in what you can use. There's not so many rules and regulations as say Facebook advertising or Google advertising, so you can just kind of hit the ground running. If you've got a good funnel, then you can really scale fast with solo ads. If you've got a bit of a budget, I'd recommend going in and grabbing one of the affiliate funnels inside Builderall and running some traffic to it. They've got some really awesome funnels already and they're adding more all the time. So if you have a little bit of budget to play with, send 100 clicks from someone to one of the funnels inside Builderall and see how it goes for you. Never put loads of money on one solo ad seller that you've never used before. Always try and test someone and make sure you do your homework before placing an order. So if you do have some money to spend and you don't want to spend time building up authority, building up YouTube, or building up any other free traffic source, then solo ads is definitely the way to get started. Once you have some more free time, I definitely recommend building up a YouTube channel, because that can be really profitable, and brand yourself as an expert, and then you'll just see much more success. But if you want to hit the ground running and start seeing some results more quickly, then I definitely recommend solo ads to one of the new funnels. Like I say, Builderall is always releasing new funnels so they don't get stale, and new hot funnels usually convert a lot better. That's why it's so important that Builderall are constantly releasing new funnels. So the final tip that I want to share with you in this video is the power of bonuses. And this applies to all sorts of people looking for Builderall. Is if you can offer them some kind of incentive for joining with you, then you have a huge advantage over a lot of other people. So for example, if someone wants to build a website and you have a bonus showing them how to build a website in their specific niche, then you're already onto a winner. If they're an affiliate and you have an affiliate training that you can offer them, then you're onto a winner. It's all about creating bonuses for different people. So I have different bonuses for people who want to sign up as a business and different bonuses for people who want to sign up on the affiliate side of things. So this is the bonus that I send to people on the affiliate side of things. It has full training on how to drive traffic and stuff like that, and then it has all the resources and the bonuses that I offer people for when they sign up. So funnel templates, email sequences, personal support and stuff like that. So you're probably thinking, oh, that sounds awesome, but I don't want to create all my own bonuses. That's going to take forever. Well, that's the awesome thing about when you sign up. I actually send you these bonuses to be able to use yourself and offer them to other people. So you can offer them to your signups and then they can offer them to their signups. So you can keep this going to as many people as you want. You don't have to create your own bonuses. You can literally use the ones that I provide for you to offer to other people. How awesome is that? I can't be any fairer than that. You can literally offer it to your downline and they can offer it to their downline and they can offer it to their downline. So I can't be any fairer than that. So I hope you found some value in this video. I hope you find the bonuses valuable, and I hope you're ready to join up and start learning how to use the Builderall platform, starting to use it in your own business and start sharing it with other people. When you're ready to get started, click the link in the description and I'll get your bonuses sent out to you straight away. Let's build something awesome with Builderall together, guys. Let's crush it. See you next time.